Hey YouTube, this is Jasmine and I'm back with another video about Carnival Cruise Line's The Fun Shops. So I'm going to go through each section one by one, so it'll be separate videos for each because they're kind of long to go over each one. But I'm going to start off with the Fun Shops beverage programs on Carnival Cruise Lines. So we're going to click on beverage programs. And Carnival offers two different beverage programs. One is called the Bottomless Bubbles, the Unlimited Soda Program, and the other one is called the Cheers Beverage Program. So for adults, it's $8.50 per day, and for kids, it's $5.95 per day, and 18% gratuity will be added to the cart. So we're going to click on this to learn some more information about the Bottomless Bubbles Unlimited Soda Program. Okay, so you would enjoy ice cold refreshments during meals, during shows, and during, well, anytime you want on the Bottomless Bubbles program. This unlimited soda program lets you indulge in all you can drink soda and juice for the full length of your cruise. So the Bottomless Bubbles is available for purchase at the lobby, casino, and pool bars. And some restrictions apply, so we're going to look at the program details below. But it includes Coca-Cola, Coke Zero, all Coke products, Diet Coke, Sprite, Sprite Zero, Fanta, Pib, Coca-Cola, and Diet Coke. So the cost varies depending on the length of your cruise. So for example, if you're going on a 3-day cruise for children, it will be $5.95 per day plus 18% gratuity, which would amount to $21.06. And that's for 3 days. For adults that's 18 and over, the cost will be $8.50 per day, including 18% gratuity, and that would be $30.09 for a 3-day cruise. So these prices are per person for this program. Let's say you're going on a 7-day cruise. The price with gratuity included for a kid under 18 years old will be $49.15 per day. And for adults 18 and over, it will be $70.21 for the whole 7-day trip. So it varies on how long you're going to be on the boat, but these are the prices per person per day. Okay, so we're going to go back. We're going to go back and look at the restrictions on this program, so you're well aware before you buy. Okay, so some restrictions. Once you purchase this I'm tongue-tied today. Once you purchase this package, it's non-transferable and may not be shared. So like I said, this is per person. So if it's 2 adults and 2 kids, this price would be double right here for the 3 days. This price will be double. So just remember that these are per person per day. Guests or family members who would like to enjoy soft drinks through this program must purchase their own sticker. 1 beverage serving per sticker will be served at a time. Soft drink is served by the glass, 16 ounces. Juice is served by the glass, 10 ounces. This cannot be used through room services or the interactive TV system where applicable, or the mini bar where applicable. The program is only applicable on onboard purchases. The program is not offered on Europe itineraries. So this is only good for the sailings in the U.S., from the U.S. ports and in the Caribbean, Alaska, Hawaii, but not over in Europe. Okay, so we're going to go back and go over the other beverage program, which is the Cheers beverage program. This is for mainly adults, and this is $51.95 per day, and with 18% gratuity will be added once you purchase this package. So we're going to click here and go over the details of the Cheers beverage program. Okay, so I just want to make it clear that you all understand that the Cheers beverage program is $51.95 per day per person, and 18% gratuity will be added to that. And it depends on the time you're sailing, like how long you'll be on the ship. So for a lot of folks, kicking back at the bar is essential to a great vacation. We introduce Cheers so you can have the best bar experience ever. Bartenders bring you drinks, but never the bill. Enjoy the ease of paying one flat price for your spirited beverages over the entire length of your cruise. Now that's something to cheer about. Save by purchasing before you sail. Current onboard pricing is $56.95 per person per day. So if you book early before you sail, it's somewhat of a discount, like a $5 difference, but it's still 56. It's between $51 and $56 per person per day. So if you have 10 people in your room, each person would need their own package. Excuse me. So you can save 10% versus onboard pricing when purchasing online prior to selling. Its applicable state and local taxes will be charged to the guest folio when this program is used within U.S. waters. The tax is based on the state's tax structure and the cost of the individual drink purchase, not the daily program rate. For example, if the drink price is $5 and the tax is 10%, the guest sell and sign card will be charged 50 cents for tax. This applies to all U.S. ports, embarkation home ports, and ports of call. And this is just a little FYI. Cutoff for pre-purchase is the day before embarkation, the day before you set sail, and 9 p.m. Eastern Time through the call center. Additional restrictions apply. See program details below. Okay, so let's see what this package includes. The Cheers package includes all spirits, including cocktails, as well as beer and wine by the glass with a $20 or lower menu price. Sodas, zero proof frozen cocktails, energy drinks, specialty coffee, hot tea, 500 milliliter bottled water, and other non-alcoholic bottled water beverages. Large format water bottles in the dining room and specialty restaurants. 25% discount off the menu price for any spirit or wine by the glass above $20. 25% discount off the menu price for wine and champagne by the bottle. 25% discount off beverage seminars and classes. Cheers also includes beverages promoted and sold in souvenir glasses, bottles of liquor, beverages offered at the gangway, beverages offered through room service, mini bars, and or in stateroom beverage programs, sharing cocktails, floaters, pitchers, tubes, and buckets, beverages offered through aromatic wine machines, all other beverage related programs, including merchandise, cigars, and cigarettes, and food items. So it does include a lot if you are the person that likes to go to the bar while you're on vacation or you like to drink a lot. I mean, the cost of these singly, if you buy it singly on the ship, is kind of expensive. I'm going to go over that in another video about the cost of the alcohol on the ship. But you also have the option of buying liquor on the islands that you visit that's duty free. So keep that in mind. You can bring some things on the ship, and I'm going to do a later video about that. So let's go over the restrictions. So you must be 21 and older to purchase and agree to not give this to minors, because this is for adults only for the cocktails. Each adult assigned to the same stateroom must purchase the program. So once again, this price, the $51.95 per day or the $56.95 per day, is per person per day. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so guests must purchase the program for the entire cruise. You can't just buy it for one day. So if you're going on a 7-day cruise, you're going to have to get this for 7 days. So that's $50 times 7. So you do the math. There's only one drink at a time may be ordered. No sharing is permitted. There is a 5-minute wait time between ordering drinks. The program allows for up to 15 alcoholic drinks per 24-hour period from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. So, I mean, that's a lot of drinks. So if it's like a group of people, just keep that in mind when you all are ordering. Guests sailing from New York and Galveston will not be able to activate the Cheers program until day 2, and that must be a state law. I'm not sure why that is. The program is only applicable for onboard purchases during regular operating hours. It is not offered on Europe itineraries. It's not offered on 2-day cruises or charter cruises. And all bottles and cans will be served open. So that is the overview of the Cheers Beverage program. So if you're interested in either of these programs, you can book this online. If you're already booked for a cruise, you can go ahead and go into these and add these to the cart. And it will go by how many people you're booking it for, because it's per person, per day. Would I recommend this option? Not really. And this is why. Unless it's for a short cruise and you really like to go to the bar, that's the only way I would recommend these beverage programs. But I'm doing a video coming up about Carnival's drink policy and like what you can bring on board. I personally did not use these programs because I didn't see the worth in it. Like, I'm not a big drinker, so I did not get the Cheers program, but I did get drinks on the ship, but I just bought them. Like, I don't drink a lot, so I might have had 2 or 3 drinks my whole entire trip. But we also bought champagne and wine on the ship, so that's an option too to save some money. So this is the overview of the beverage programs for Carnival Cruises, and stay tuned for the next video that's coming up. I'm going to go over the details for the in-state room beverages coming up. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.